Victim support is hiring. If you're someone who is passionate about making a real difference in people's lives, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Victim support is looking for a live chat support worker to join their incredible team. This role is all about providing immediate emotional and practical support to victims of crime and traumatic events. It's a meaningful job that offers the flexibility to work from home, with part time hours ranging from 12 to 30 hours per week on a rolling 24/7 rota. Imagine being the person who helps someone through one of the toughest moments of their life. It's a role that truly matters. Before we dive into all the exciting details, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It means so much to us and helps us bring more job opportunities to you. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on updates like this one. Now, back to the role. As a live chat support worker, you'll be responding to victims through live chat, offering emotional support, providing practical advice, and connecting them to vital resources. You'll also handle sensitive situations with care, escalating safeguarding concerns when necessary, and offering trauma first aid during major incidents. This position requires resilience, adaptability, and empathy. It's challenging, yes, but also deeply rewarding. The position is home based, but there's an initial 3-day induction in Cardiff with accommodation provided. After that, you'll be set up to work remotely. Shifts are flexible and fit into a rolling schedule. An example includes a mix of morning, afternoon, and evening hours. The benefits are fantastic. Victim support offers 28 days of annual leave plus bank holidays, increasing to 33 days over time, a pension with a 5% employer contribution, enhanced sick pay, an extra day off for your birthday, and access to high street discounts. They even provide ongoing training and career development opportunities. To qualify, you'll need experience in customer service or support roles, the ability to manage challenging situations sensitively, and strong communication skills. Familiarity with digital tools like Microsoft is a must, and an understanding of confidentiality, diversity, and the impact of crime is key. At its heart, victim support is all about inclusion and diversity. They welcome applicants from all backgrounds and are particularly encouraging to Black, Asian, and minority ethnic communities. They're also a disability confident employer, meaning they'll make reasonable adjustments during the recruitment process if needed. If this sounds like a role you'd love to be a part of, we've made it easy to apply. Just check out the link in the description box below. Don't wait too long though. Applications close on January 17th, 2025. Lastly, if you're on the hunt for more exciting remote opportunities, be sure to check out our other videos and visit our website. We're dedicated to helping you find roles that match your passion and skills. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.